Daddy Badea.
Hello everyone.
And today we're going to be doing squishy soap. What are we going to need, Dad?
Just about everything you need for the first step is already in the bag. We've got
first step.
Liquid soap. We've got our cookie cutter. That's going to be the shape of our soap. This is going to be the rice flour we use to make the soap. You got the tattoo that's going to go on the soap. And then we have our instructions. And then during the second step...
Handy dandy instructions.
In the second step, that's when it's going to start getting a little bit complicated. We got a lot of stuff over here, and I'll explain it when we do that part.
Yep.
But the first part is really easy. We just need to get your spoon, a bowl, and then mix these two things together. I'll put these over here for now.
Put my spoon back in my Sophia Badea
Apron.
I forgot what it was called.
All right, are you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Sophia Badea. Can you see that, everyone? Yeah. Sophia Badea.
If you can't, well.
You can see it, see?
It's
Sophia
pink, too.
Badea.
Well, not the letters, but okay. Let's just get started.
All right. Well, Badea bunch, let's jive in.
I mean, let's dive in.
Okay, so I'll get this opened up.
I'm not talking like my normal self.
We spent all day, or not all day, but quite a while, just a little while ago, at the splash pad. And so now
That's what I'm in my
Now,
the panda corn.
we're gonna make some squishy soap so that we can use it to take a bath, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna use it tonight.
Be careful and dump all that into that bowl.
We need
That
the
bowl.
sweet rice flour first. That's what it said.
There you go. Bless you. Gesundheit. Okay, and then we just need to dump all of this into our rice flour.
All of it?
Every last drop.
Wow.
Just look, it's got a little. Let me open it.
Be careful. Always have a grown up to do this.
Always have a grown-up that knows what they're doing, and Daddy Badea sometimes doesn't know what he's doing. Okay, just dump all of that into there carefully. I'll show you.
Smoking? Oh no, it's. Oh, that's why it says scented.
There we go. Let's go over here. And then let me show you a little trick. We'll put the lid back on it, and I'll take it like this, sling it down like that. Look, get all that soap down to the bottom.
Smell the. Oh, the soap is scented. The soap is scented.
The soap is scented, not the rice flour.
Rice flour.
It looks like the rice flour is colored though. It's got like
It's
a
blue.
like a teal
color
color.
to it.
she calls almost everything that's teal
blue.
blue,
And it is.
and I call it.
Just a lighter one.
To my eyes, I always think it looks more green, but she thinks it looks more blue. And I guess technically teal is kind of like a blue-green, so I don't think anybody's really wrong. It's
I'm
just,
not wrong.
of course you're not wrong. You're
No,
Sophia
I'm not
Badea.
wrong.
Okay, now take your spoon, carefully and
Right in my
slowly,
apron, in my bucket. In my bucket.
and just carefully and slowly stir that up. And the instructions did say that when you have to knead this just like dough. And they said that it takes a little bit of time, so to be patient. But just knead it just like dough. You want it to feel like pizza dough. What was that look for?
Sometimes it look just pops.
You gave me that look like
Dough.
like dough. A deer, a female deer, ray, a golden ray of sun. I think that's how it goes. Never heard that? What?
What in the world is that?
You never did that in music class?
No.
What? Yeah, it's really kind of hard right now. That's why you gotta knead it. You gotta squish, squish, squish. Hold it over the bowl, and then that way we won't lose any of our rice flour. Also in the instructions, it says...
Okay, you need to do that. That's a workout.
Also in the instructions, it says that this is made with all natural ingredients that are not... They did not use any preservatives, and so...
And it must be used in 2 days.
That's right. Okay, so...
We're going to move the...
Here, I'll put it. See if we can put your fingers. I don't want to smash your fingers.
Like you stepped on my
Gotta get
phone.
that.
Wait, where's the phone?
Let's put it right here.
The apron's
Okay. It's all okay. I gotta smush this out.
It's okay if it gets a little messy, right? I
Smush
burped
out.
as soon as I said, it's okay if it gets messy. I don't know why.
Smush it out to where it's that size. Hold on, I'm not gonna do it yet. We still gotta get it further out. I guess I could have brought a rolling pin. That would have made it a lot easier, but it's okay.
Don't go ahead and get them.
No. No, it's too late now. We'll just use that. Okay, let me just see if it's big enough.
Now it's big.
Hold on, not quite. Get it a little bigger. Just like.
This is boring when he's doing this stuff.
Okay, now put it right in the middle. Hold on. Just like that.
It's too small. It's not.
No, it'll work. It'll work, trust me. Push straight down. Up here.
It's hard. Make sure you have your parents help you.
Before you pull it back up, pull the soap out from around it. Okay, now do you have the, you gotta try to get
Tattoo?
that. Not the tattoo, we need the, spoon, that's right. We're gonna tap this down. Okay, where's the little, the
Why are you putting those
tinfoil
there?
square? We don't need it anymore.
Right here.
All right, let's take this, put it right on top.
Well, then let me put it in.
Okay.
I've been telling you, let me put it in my apron.
All right, so now, sorry, Sophia Badea. So now we've got it cut out. There's our shape.
It's fun. This is really fun.
Now what we've got to do,
Actually,
we've got to move on to step 2. Step 2 is where the hard part starts to come in.
where you need a parent. Right?
Yeah, you have to have a
Oh,
grown-up.
you hit the
Whoa.
mic.
You have to have a grown-up do this part because what we're gonna do, we have got a burn plate. This is a burner plate.
Ow.
Sorry, my big old.
Broke myself.
Oh. You gotta have a burner plate, or you can do this on the stove top. Have your parents do it.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
We've got a
I don't know
pot.
why that's hot.
We've got a pot with just a little bit of water on there.
Oh, seriously?
See there?
That's what you're supposed to do?
Uh-huh. The pot has some water in it. This is called steaming, and we don't have a steam basket, so what we're gonna do, I got a colander. I'm gonna put it right in there just like this.
I want to push it in there.
First though,
Ah! It's wet.
we gotta turn this on to medium heat. It goes up to max, which would be 6, so let's go 3.5. And we've got to wait for this.
It looks like I just...
All right, so hold on just a second. As soon as this gets boiling, we'll show you what we're going to do for step number 2. All right, everybody. So we're back. The next step here, we've got our boiling water. It's got to come to a rolling boil. Huh?
You said
boiling. A boiling water. It's got to come to a rolling boil. That means it's boiling really, really good. You can see the steam here. So all we're going to do, we're going to put
really annoying.
We're going to put our colander. It's got holes in it. We're going to put that.
You just spilled water on you.
Yeah.
You just spilled water on you.
It looks like you peed
I tried to play it off.
You peed yourself.
I tried to play it off like it didn't happen. Like but you were like, "Hey, Dad!"
It looks like you peed yourself.
Well, maybe I did.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna put the colander on top of this pot here.
If you guys saw that, you are lucky.
So we're gonna put the soap inside of the steam basket, and it's gonna be in there for 10 minutes. We will put this on it, and we'll see you guys in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. So now I'm gonna use my oven mitts. We're turning this off. I'm using my oven mitts to open up our steam pot here.
Are you sure it's off? It's still steaming.
Oh, it'll steam for a little while.
Okay. It's dripping.
Ooh, can we see that?
It's happening again. It's happening again.
There it is. So now...
Don't drop it in the pot, Daddy.
Now we have to let this set for 30 minutes to cool off. 30 minutes, this will cool off where we can touch it. Then we can remove this out and we will actually put on our tattoo.
Wait, where's the thing?
Are you ready to teleport in 30 minutes? That way we can put the tattoo on?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Clap your hands. Wait, let's do that again. Together. 1, 2, 3. And now we steamed our soap for 10 minutes, and then we let it cool until we could actually touch it, which was around a little over 20 minutes. It didn't take the full 30 minutes, a little over 20 minutes. So now we're going to put our graphics design on there.
I mean, if you want to do it for 30 minutes, you can.
Yeah, better safe than sorry.
Yep.
All right, so all we're gonna do now,
Hard work.
don't bend it, because this is uphill. But, so now all we're gonna do is we're gonna put this graphics design here. We're gonna put our graphics design on top of it, just like this. Just like you do a temporary tattoo. It just doesn't want to stick very good, but that's okay. It's just like some things. Some of the tattoos just don't want to stick very good. Here,
It's so deep.
let's see if it...
Put it in.
Sure. Let's see if you rub your hands in it and see if it actually washes your hands.
Okay. That's making bubbles.
Well, it's obviously slippery.
Obviously. Is it off?
All right, Sophia Badea. I think let's go take our bath, and that's going to do it for this episode. What do you say? Next time, what do you think we're going to do?
The Sour Candy Factory.
Yep, stick around. The next video we're going to do, we've got Sour Candy Factory. And that one, we don't have to do any tattoos.
Nope.
I'm not sure why the tattoo didn't stick. It's like plastic, but anyway, we still have our mermaid tail squishy soap. And you can see it's definitely squishy soap. All right, everybody. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yep. Bye.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
My hands are so sticky to that soap.